It's a story of a real man. Yes, a real man. A few decades ago, there was a man named Dashrath Manjhi who was born in a very poor and untouchable family. His village Ghalot was situated in Gaya district of Bihar. It was one of the very undeveloped and poorest villages of that time. There were mainly two reasons behind it. Number one is corruption by political leaders, and second one is a mountain between Ghalot and Wazirganj. Wazirganj, if you don't know, was a well-developed city of that time in their area. Almost every facilities were available in that city. Peoples of Ghalot have to cross that mountain to reach Wazirganj. Dashrath got married in childhood. His love for his wife was indefinable. He could do anything for his wife. Once his wife was crossing that mountain after drawing water from the river of Wazirganj. At that time, she was also having a baby in her stomach. Then, unluckily, she slipped off from the top of that mountain. And as soon as Manjhi took her at the hospital, she died for not receiving timely medical care. But doctor saved her baby. After that incident, Manjhi's life was completely changed. He never imagined a life without her wife. He blamed that mountain for killing his wife. Neither that mountain would have been there, nor his wife would died. So at the moment, he takes an oath to cut that mountain in revenge for killing his wife, as well as to ensure that not even a single person faced such a miserable death again. Such a brave and kind person he was. Then he purchased a hammer and a chisel after selling his goats. People started calling him mad, idiot, and other bad words. But he only focuses on his goal to cut that mountain. He doesn't make a single excuse for not cutting that mountain for a single day. He survives by eating leaves and fruits only. Once he was bitten by a snake at his toe. Then what he does will blow your mind. He cutted his toe at the moment for stopping poison to spread all over his body. That's the spirit. No matter how many obstacles came, just face them like a warrior. If you are having a will to achieve your goals, then even death can't stop you before achieving it. He maintains that spirit for 20 years, and finally, after 22 years, he gutted it completely and made that way from 7 km to 1 km short. That's what we call a real man. He could also live like other crowds of that village, but he screams for change. He does it for his love and caring for his wife. He faces the problems and he tells the world nothing is impossible.